mor neis medru helpu a diolch yn fawr iawn I pob sydd wedi cyfrannu.
Dyma'n ysgol gynradd Amlwch, mae'r criw clen wedi cymryd yr awena I casglu bwyd a bob math o bethau I wneud dolyg rhywun chydig bach yn hapusach eleni.
Nadolig Llawen! Nadolig Llawen dim pawb yn ysgol Parc y Bont.
I'm Gordon Warren and I run the food bank in Amlwch, and I just want to say thank you to all of the people who've done generous donations to the Hamper project and to the food bank. It's absolutely fantastic.
Well, absolutely fantastic, especially this year. We're having to the uptake going out is way up on last year's, and we're having to buy stuff at the moment. So this from the schools is absolutely fantastic.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from all at Roscommon NCI. Have a great time.
At the moment, over the last 6 months, we've got less coming in than goes out, and so we're spending quite a lot of money to actually top up the boxes with the essentials, and this will provide us with essentials plus luxuries as well. Thank you to the people of Anglesey and the schools and everybody who's contributed to help out the people with less.